We're here with Dem, who's going to show you how to fit and install the Hennessey strap locks. Over to Dem.
Rightio. Okay, this is the package you're going to get, and we're going to open the package and I'll show you the strap locks. Give you a closer look at them. Should pop out there. There we go. There we go. You've got your two strap locks there. I'm going to show you how they come apart. So you press the top section there. This is, imagine it on your guitar, and that's how they connect. Little ball bearing system inside, which just locks up just like that. First of all, we're going to have to remove the original end pin that you've got your strap button end pin there. So we've got to hold the end pin so you don't slip there, so it's nice and firm. So you take the old one out complete. The new end pins come with their own felt backing anyway, so leave them on. Obviously grab the end pin just to secure it there so you don't slip. Quite long, the screws, because obviously they've got to take the weight of the guitar as well, so they've got to be nice and firm. There you go, that's lovely. That you just press that, and that's locked there. We'll easily put this on the. It's quite easy to put this on the peg now. Just one moment. The right side, and there we go. So unscrew the end pin there, and then that just seats on there with its backing. It's got a perforated surface there, so it grips the strap, and these just simply screw on just like that, giving you a nice safe lock there. And to put these on, just press in and that's it. Off and on. That's it. We'll do the other side now. That's beautiful, that, nice and taut. That's nice and safe for you. So we'll get the right side of the strap ready, and we're going to put the other end on like before. Just unscrew the end pin there. Screw that back on. Nice and tight as you can. And then, same as before, connect there like that, and that's it. I'll take it off again just so you can see. I'll wear the strap. And there we go.
So these are really nicely secure, quick and easy to take the strap off as well. Thank you, Dem.